Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install the Irresistibleme clipping hair extensions. I really like the extensions, and I'm also going to show you guys how to install them. Very quick, very easy and straightforward. This is what the packaging looks like. Very cute and very stylish as well. I am so impressed with the quality of their hair, and as you guys already know, they are doing their Christmas offer. It's the best time of the year to grab as many extensions, wigs and clip-on hair as you wish, because obviously they are going for the lowest price ever. Like, you can't imagine. As you already know, their offer for the Black Friday was amazing, like 65% off, and this Christmas would even be better. It's even better. So yeah, right. This is what the hair looks like, and you have the clip-on extension. Very neat, very tidy, and the most amazing thing about this is the fact that they're very discreet. You wouldn't know. They wouldn't know. They can't tell. It's barely there. I love that. Look at that. Very easy, very straightforward, and I love the fact that they're barely there. You can't feel anything. They're very comfortable on the head, and the wefts are well sewn, very neat. And I also like the fact that, you know, they're very comfortable on the head as well, and the hair quality is amazing. As you guys can tell, you can actually apply the clipping anywhere that you want volume. You can do this for your wigs, for your natural hair, if you want that extra length or extra volume to your hair. So yeah, I do highly recommend you go for them. And bear in mind that they also have these in different colors. They've got a red color, they've got red clipping extensions, they've got blonde, they've got black, they've got brown. They've got different texture, styles and length as well. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. And if you want just the extension by itself, you can also apply it as a full-on, full-head, you know, clip-on hairstyle, which for me is amazing as well. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, I really like the clippings, and I love the fact that you can actually curl them, you can straighten them, you can style them just like you would style your natural hair. And the fact that the hair is also true to length is one of the amazing things I love about this brand. The quality of their hair is always top notch, and I love the fact that they always deliver when it comes to the quality of their hair, and their packaging is also very cute as well. As you guys can tell, all I did was just pat the hair and then place the clip-in extension where I needed more volume, and it's obvious, it's so discreet, you can barely tell they're there, and at the same time they felt very comfortable on my head. I love the fact that you can actually, you know, change this up, or, you know, turn it up, switch it up as much as you like. You can use it as ponytail, you can use it as, you know, normal, half up, half down, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. Look at that. It actually changed the hair from 0 to 100. The volume of the hair just switched. Just in 5 minutes, the volume of the hair was like from 0 to 100. This is what I call a proper switch. And trust me, I am loving it. And if you don't know Irresistibleme Hair, they are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have kinky, they have straight, they have curly, they have all types of hair colors and textures on their website and length. And also, their Christmas offer is currently on, so do not work, run and head over to their website for all your amazing quality hair at affordable prices. You know, I've been working with their hair for a while, and you can tell the volume of this hair, like, wow. The texture, the quality, the length, everything is check, 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 check. Definitely a plus for me. And in terms of their shipping was really, really quick, and they always deliver when it comes to quality. So yeah, I highly recommend that you guys check them out. And yeah, that's the end of today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box. I'll leave the details of the hair description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.